Today we're gonna show you 3 ways to clean up your kettlebell clean. Number 1, we wanna make sure we have a strong rack, all right? None of this. You don't want an extended, weak wrist. You want a nice, straight wrist or slightly flexed. Number 2, use your legs, all right? This movement is a full body movement. Push the floor down like you're jumping and pull it into that rack position. Full body, all right? Not just the arms, not just the biceps, use your legs. Number 3, we want to spin to win, all right? Spiral around the wrist. I like to start by pointing that thumb back, spinning the bell as I clean it into that rack position. All right, notice how it's smoothly spiraling around the wrist. It never goes upside down. You don't want to do this. You don't want the bell to flip upside down and smash you down the forearm. Really try to keep the bottom of the bell facing the floor the whole time. Keep a soft grip on the way up, and you're good to go.